Then also I was doing catering. I would bake cupcakes all the time. I would make popcorns. I would make like different things in case there's like a party somewhere. That's the way I used to make money. So if you're coming to China or going abroad, please learn a skill. Then the other way I make money is I sell stuff from China.
Really good. I know y'all gonna get a good laugh out of this. But basically, I told Juan that we landed a new brand deal, and he has to help me film for the brand deal, obviously.
Twizachard, she's got the spark, lighting up the screen, a vision so stark. With every click comes a brand new trick. She's the queen of the digital flick. Hey, 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 it's Twiz's world. We're just rolling through it, girl. Hey, 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 she's the vibe, setting the tone, she's the drive.
After, 谢谢。
Brand, I'm not even gonna lie. It really does. I was paying it off because for a brand it would be like a minute in.
That's not funny at all.
Mine are still tender. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how people use this for real.
Why are you putting out your lips? It burns. It's not funny.
Yeah.
And you know my hand is burning me too. Yes.
Wait, what?
Look at my hand. It's dark red.
Oh, shoot.
It's red and it's irritating me.
Oh, wiping it off?
Yes.
Yo.
No, seriously, what's in that? That can't be safe, bro.
I don't
Like,
know.
women are actually using that?
Yeah.
I wouldn't advise you to do that.
I mean, I don't like that. I don't know how people use it.
That burned my hand, bro. And that's just from me wiping the lip gloss off.
That's crazy. Now your hair is really red.
I don't know if I'm allergic to whatever's in there.
No, that's because it's also
Still burning, man. It's been like 10, 15 minutes now.
most dramatic award goes to Shaquan Roberts. Woohoo! We're back home. We're gonna get over and we're walking back to the chair, everybody.
Today's weather is so good. I'm so happy because the weather is so good. Someone has come to plait his hair. He wants like cornrows. Initially there's this guy that I plait right in this city ever since I moved here, and he's recommended me to somebody else, you know, because the person that used to plait him has also, left like a long time. So ever since I came, I'm the one who plaits his hair, and now he's recommended me to somebody else. So if you ever come abroad in China, you learn to survive and you learn skills that you didn't know you had. So why I'm saying this is because I learned how to plait through my aunt, right? I learned to plait through my aunt. So I used to plait like in high school. Each time we close school, then people are going back home, I would plait people's hair. So I already had the skill. So for me, ever since I came to China, oh, look at that cute cat. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see? It's playing on the ground. I love cats so much. I prefer a cat to a dog. So what was I even talking about? I've lost my chain of thought. Okay, so I make passive income through braiding hair and catering. So in my former city, I used to braid people's hair, like all races, blacks, white, Chinese, Asians. I mean, I used to plait their hair. That's the way I used to make like passive income. And pause, look down. Yes, you, I'm talking to you. Look down there. You're not subscribed, and neither are 80% of the people that watch my videos. So please subscribe before you continue watching this video. Bye. Then also I was doing catering. I would bake cupcakes all the time. I would make popcorns. I would make like different things in case there's like a party somewhere. That's the way I used to make money. So if you're coming to China or going abroad, please learn a skill. Then the other way I make money is I sell stuff from China. So the biggest things I've ever sold, like helped buy, was an elevator for a hospital. Then also, what do you call that, trucks, the Sino trucks, but I've forgotten the brand he wanted. Yeah, but it's for a mine in the copper belt. And then I sell hair, like wigs, hair. And please don't mind this, I was from making shea butter for my hair. I like buying shea butter from West Africa. Then I make my own hair oil, then I mix. That's how I've grown my hair. I don't like using products and whatnot. Ni hao. Yeah, I don't like using products and whatnot. So yeah, let me pick him up. I braid his hair. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we are on, I think, 474 subscribers. So please help my channel grow. I truly appreciate. Oh, I've seen him, and I need to pick up my parcels in here because I bought food groceries from Pindodo Maitai. Hello. All right, guys. Bye bye. So hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I can't remember the last thing I vlogged before this because I've been so busy, but I've tried to vlog as much as I can, and I emphasize as much as I can. But today was a good day. I actually started going to neurosurgery. I have been going there, but I mean, like, it's on my rotation plan. So now I'm gonna be in neurosurgery from March to August, right? So technically I'm going to be in neurosurgery for 18 months. Then I'm going to be in other departments for 11 months. So in total, that sums up to approximately 3 years until I graduate. So I'm so excited. Those that know me know that I love neurosurgery so much. I love picking on people's brains, looking at people's brains, analyzing people's brains, and seeing if people see that I'm smart, you know? As Christina Yang said, if you know Grey's Anatomy, it's best you compliment my brain and not my beauty. So I really, really appreciate when, like, people see how smart I am and not like how beautiful I am. You know, for me, smartness is more important than being beautiful. But anyways, today I started going. It was so cold, so I couldn't even vlog. I was freezing cold, and I couldn't even vlog. But it was a great day. We saw patients today. We had morning rounds, but before that we had the morning meeting, and we looked at different scans. Then after the morning rounds, we had to do chai sian and huayao, which means huayao is like changing the dressing of the patient who had surgery. Then, like, you're trying to change the dressing. But then chai sian is like removing the stitches, the sutures of the patient who is getting discharged or almost getting discharged. So I did chai sian, and then before I did it, I remember my doctor, like the doctor I was assigned with, told me that be careful, make sure you wear your gloves because this patient has syphilis. So then I was like, oh my god. But anyways, I wore my gloves, I was sterile, and then I did everything, and then later I went to wash my hands, just to be safe. So then I came back home, guys. I was exhausted because despite it being a Monday, and we're just from having the weekend. I've been so tired. I've been at home doing my work, but yet I'm so tired, but I'm indoors, So then I've been so tired, and then today was kind of rough on me because we had so much to do. But then later after lunch, my professor told me I have free time, I can do anything. So I told him, let me go back home because I need to go study. So I came back, I tried to do some work, then I ended up sleeping. Actually, it even reminded me, my aunt called me yesterday, so I'm supposed to call her back after this because she called me at 1 a.m. Guys, the time difference between Zambia and China is crazy. It's like 6 hours difference. So then when my aunt was calling me at 1, that was 7 p.m. for her, I think. 6 p.m. Midnight, then 7 p.m. 1 a.m. Okay, yeah, it was 7 p.m. for her. So then I told her I will call her back later because I was exhausted, because they just had International Women's Day, so they were from like celebrating it because she's a teacher.